Hello, welcome to the Main Cave. In this video I'm going to show you how I connect one headset to all of my consoles very easily with hassle-free switching between any of them. If you only have one console attached, this is still useful for you if your TV has the built-in apps that you use. This time I'm focusing very much on the single player experience, so chatting and how to do it will be limited. I will of course be doing another video to help you out with getting chat to work across them all at some point. With this method, you still get excellent spatial awareness across the PS5 and the Xbox, albeit not the full Tempest audio on the PS5, but trust me, you'll be hard pushed to notice a difference. If you do want a headset for two or more of either PS5 console, Series S, X, Switch or any other console you have wired up to your TV, then your options are quite limited to pretty much four ways. One, a different headset for each console, but this is far too expensive, what with the decent headphones being a minimum of around $150 each. Secondly, you could use Bluetooth headphones, not really good enough quality and you most likely will experience lag. Thirdly, the multi-format headphones, they are rare but they are out there, with such as the new Turtle Beach Max, but this still involves swapping a USB stick each time and you won't get the sound from anything connected that doesn't send sound via USB, nor your inbuilt TV smart apps. And number four, finally, you could get the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless and follow this guide on how to connect them once, leave them, and never have to faff about changing anything ever again, ever. As I said earlier, this is for the single player experience, but I will show you later on how to use Discord chat if that's your preferred way to communicate. And once connected, you won't need to change anything, just the source on your TV. So to do this, what you need to do is get the Arctis Pro base station and on the back, plug in the mini USB. The other end of that USB can be plugged into your TV. If your TV doesn't have a USB port, then into one of the consoles that sends power even when they're not on, or, as I do, into a spare USB plug in a plug extension I have near the sofa. I have my base station situated near the sofa so it's an arm's reach when playing. The USB cable is also used for chat purposes, and seeing as we will talk about that in a separate video, you can just use the USB for power. Next up, plug the optical cable into the in port of the base station and the other end into your TV out optical. I'm assuming your TV has optical. If it doesn't, you will need to get something what's called an HDMI extractor, but you may need an HDMI 2.1 extractor to get the 120 FPS pass-through if your TV supports it. However, these are quite rare. The ones on Amazon are usually HDMI 2.0 compatible, which can pass through only 4K at 60 frames a second, which may be okay for you if your TV doesn't support HDMI 2.1. So once the USB and the optical are in, get into the settings on the base station and set the source to PS4. Once you've done that, turn on your headphones and your sound will be coming through the headphones. Whatever plays on your TV will come through your headphones. Now it's up to you to tweak the sound, as out of the box these headphones sound, well, okay from stock. So just download the SteelSeries GG app and tweak the equalizer to your preferred setting. Here's a shot of the ones that I currently have mine on. Also, on the PS5, to take advantage of better sound, go into the settings, audio, and change it from PCM to Dolby. Finally, I did briefly want to touch on chat. As I said, I will be doing a whole new video on the chat functionality for each of the consoles, but there is a quick way if you use Discord to chat. The reason I got this headset was it also allows simultaneous playback over Bluetooth. So connect your pros to the Bluetooth on your phone and you can have game sound from your TV and Discord chat using your phone. I suggest going into the base station settings and make sure that your BT volume is to the top. That way that you can control the volume of the chat using your phone. So that's it. You now have one headset for all consoles and everything that is connected and coming out of your TV. A very elegant solution for a fantastic headset. Coming up now is a sound test. The setup is using some Sennheiser binaural earphones. These record directly what they hear and are placed inside the Arctis Pros, giving you as near as an experience of sound quality as I can get through YouTube. This test is best experienced using headphones yourself. The picture will be from the camera and the sound is directly from the Arctis Pros.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all. That one will look of it.
More goons incoming!
There's a lot of different ways to look at what a video game is. As a game designer, it's not about what I'm putting on the screen, and it's not about what's in my design. It's about what's going on.